To download free wallpapers on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra, first of all, we need to go to Settings. Over here in Settings, we're gonna proceed to Themes. And once you open the Galaxy Themes app, then we should be able to switch to Wallpapers at the bottom of the screen. Now over here, you should be able to find many different wallpapers, and unfortunately, most of them are not for free, but we can get free content as well. Usually you can go to the top over here, tap on the all text that we have on the left side, and you can switch to free, and there we go. Now we can try to find a wallpaper that you might like to use. So let's say I'm gonna choose something like this one over here. Next we're gonna use the download button, and after a couple of seconds you should be able to apply the wallpaper. You can choose to set it for the lock screen or home screen, or both of course, and then go next. And there we go. Now we can tap on the done in the upper right corner, and that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.